Today I'm starting a new project in the apartment I live in. Here is our room that we are staying in right now. This is the bed, and then there are wardrobes here, and there is a small walkway here, and if we enter that we come into this room. So here is like office, yeah, everything. Computer, it's here, clothes drying, sofa. It's really cramped, but there's lots of space up here. And usually when you're here, you sit down into sofa or at the computer. So I've been thinking that maybe we should put the bed up here. So that's the plan. So this bed is going up here. So for that I need to build like a small second floor. I bought all the wood today. And I bought some long pieces, a bunch of wood, and some of it was too long to fit into the apartment because, yeah, the elevator is too small, the staircases are too small. So here it is. I had to cut it up by hand in the garage. And here's some of it. Some is cut, different lengths. And then we have some huge pieces here. Here are some smaller pieces. Here's the rest. And then there are two of these, whatever you call them. So I need to cut up this to get it to fit somewhere, so I can store it. Here is the stairs where I'm gonna use these really big fat pieces. Yeah, I can show you how this is the room, how it will look like. The bed is actually here right now. So I will build it like this. So this will be like the desk is in here and everything, and the bed will be up there, and the stairs and the wardrobes will be here like walls. Here is my list of all the parts I need, the length, and the color is represented by this model. I pre-cut them in like rough length. So here is 1540, two of them, and here we had 2380, a lot of them. I'm gonna first start with that, and to do that it's gonna be standing here along the wall. I need to move the table out, sofa out, so I cleared some space here. this saw is not able to cut at an angle, and I can't cut it like this either because it won't fit under this guard. It must come down quite a bit before the guard is like moved away. So I can only cut like flat pieces, and then at this angle I can't like cut like this. It has to be a lot lower. So I have to use this, which can cut an angle because you can tilt this whole thing. But this is so dull. The teeth here are so dull that it's just smoking the wood instead. That's like burnt wood. So you just get a lot of smoke in here. And in the cut here you can see also it's like burning it. It should look like this when you cut it. Because these teeth are so dull. So I came up with the idea to sharpen them. So I started sharpening here. And I'm hoping that's gonna work. I need to do the whole wheel. Well, it feels sharper. I just hope it is. All of them are sharpened now. So now I can cut this piece. I got an audience here. So after the sharpening, the wood looks like this when it's been cut. So there are no burns, and it's quick and it works great. So the sharpening did its job. There's lots of space. You can't sit up, but there's enough room to lie down. You can be on the side, lots of space.